Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project at New Town Action Area 2, just 600 meters from Eco Park, gate number 2. And you can see this is a 3 BHK along with 3 toilets, with having a breathtaking view of the city. Beautiful view of New Town Action Area 2 with main road facing. And come this side. So this side you can see a beautiful living cum dining area and attached kitchen with this living cum dining. So come inside. The platform will be given. Currently this is under construction. All fittings will be given, electrical fittings, and this is the dry balcony along with this kitchen, and another beautiful view of the city. And you will enjoy this view of the road, New Town Action Area 2. So now come this side. So this is our first bedroom, our first master bedroom. So come this side. See the space of this master bedroom. It's a huge space with having a size of 16 feet by 14 feet with excellent view of the city. So you can imagine the view from the window. Beautiful view with view of the front road. It's a 4-lane in front of the project, and this bedroom is also having attached toilet. So come and see. This is the attached toilet space with having separate space for bath, wall mount commode area, and the basin space. All jacquard fittings will be given. Now come and see. So this is the living cum dining, and this is the main entry of this apartment, and this is the common toilet space, beautifully decorated and smartly designed. Separate space for bath, wall mount commode, and the basin space. And come, this is the second bedroom, a rectangle shaped second bedroom with having windows on both the side, and this bedroom is having a size of 12 feet by 12 feet with having another excellent view of the city as well as the internal gardens view and the podium level view. This is under construction podium currently, and these are the towers from outside. Currently the painting work is going on. And now come outside. So now we are entering into the third bedroom or the second master bedroom. So come inside. So on my right side you can see it's a beautiful attached toilet space along with the separate space for bath, wall mount commode, and the basin area. And see the size of this bedroom. This is the rectangle shaped bedroom with having windows on both the side. The size of this bedroom is approximately 13 feet by 11 feet with having a view of the internal gardens and the main entry gate. So this is the main entry gate of this project. And this side you can see the beautiful view of the city, New Town Action Area 2. So excellent view with the view of the main road in front of the window. So thanks a lot for watching this video. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are giving some excellent offers and discounts for you for very limited period. So we are left with very limited options. So thanks a lot for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.